Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I will show you another video of MySQL join. Today I will explain left join. So let's get started. So I have created one employee table and you can see there are three entries, and second table is address in which employee address will be stored. So you can see in address there is employee ID and address. So now let me open a new tab in which I will show you query for left join. So let me just tell exactly what left join does is it basically return all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. If there is no match in right table, then all the left table data will be returned. So now let me show you syntax for it. So you can see from table 1 left join table 2, and on condition is there table 1 dot column name will this column name will be same in table 1 and table 2. So now let me show you in practical. So in SQL, write select star from I'm having employee table, then write left join with its address table, and on condition will be employee.id equals to address.employee id, as employee id is common in both the table. Now execute the query and you can see there are three results as every employee is having address. So now let me add another address for employee 3. So let's say write Kashmir and save. So now employee 3 is having two address. So let's see what output we will be getting. So now again execute the query and now you can see employee 3 is having two address now, Delhi and Kashmir. So here have a look. Employee table is our left table and address table is right table. So from employee ID 3 is matching with two entries in address table. So that's why employee 3 is having two entries as a result. So now let me remove address for employee 2. So just give it to employee 3. So now employee 2 is having no address. So now let's go and execute again what we will be getting for employee 2. So now let me execute this query again. Now let me just open a new tab and execute there. So we will have data to compare. So now let's have a look at the results. Now you can see now employee 2 is giving null for its address and employee 3 is having three entries. And if I'll compare, then you can see Mary before is having address, now it's giving null value if no address is found. So at last let me just empty the address table and now you can see there is no address. So let me show you what output we will be getting. So now execute the query. Now you can see left table is coming, all employee list is coming, but address is having null. It's giving null output. So you can see now if no data is present in right table, then all the left table data will be returned. So that's all in this video. I'll be explaining other joins in upcoming videos. So if you have any doubt, then comment down below. So till then, take care and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.